Have you ever felt this way? The more stuff you have, the more stressed you feel. Even if you didn't do much, you end up exhausted. You sit down to do something for yourself, but you just can't get started. It might not be you being lazy. It's that your brain is constantly being interrupted by clutter. Think about it. If your home is full of things that aren't organized, even if you don't look at them, each pile sends a tiny message to your mind. This needs to be put away later. That's not finished yet. This pile hasn't been sorted. Your brain is like a computer with dozens of browser tabs open. They're all running in the background, draining your energy. A messy home is basically your brain never taking a break. This is why you feel stressed, tired, unmotivated, or easily frustrated. Even your body reacts. It senses, this place isn't safe. I can't relax yet. So even lying in bed scrolling your phone, your body is still tense. A clean, organized space gives a very primal feeling. You feel cared for, in control, and at home in your own space. From another perspective, organizing your home is also a way of respecting yourself. The essence of organizing is simple. I deserve to live in a comfortable environment. When you give yourself a clean desk, easy to find items and a refreshing space, you are telling yourself, my life is worth being taken seriously. Even if you haven't earned much yet or you're still figuring life out, a clean home is the lowest cost form of self-respect. There is an old Chinese saying that, once they declutter, their luck improves. It's not magic, it's that your energy is no longer being scattered by clutter. Your emotions stabilize. You feel less irritated and it becomes easier to take action. And when action increases, opportunities naturally follow. You might think organizing is exhausting, but you don't have to do it all at once. Start with the places you spend the most time. Keep only the items you are actively using on your desk. Don't pile things beside your bed. Periodically clean out your bag, a little at a time. Organizing doesn't change your fate, but it supports the foundation of your life. 2,000 years ago, Laozi said, "Less is enough, too much leads to confusion." It doesn't mean you should live with nothing. It means that when things pile up and distract or confuse you, you lose energy and focus. If your things are arranged in a way that makes you feel at ease, they hold you rather than press you. Ancient wisdom also teaches, a person must have room to move, both in the heart and in the body. Less clutter, more open space, and your energy won't be drained. The truly useful parts of your home aren't the piles of stuff. It's the empty spaces, where you can place yourself, relax, and live fully. Now, take a deep breath. Let's try it today. You can start by organizing the desk. Write your thoughts in the comments. If you are tired of the race, maybe it is time to stop running and start flowing. Subscribe to join me on this ancient path to peace.